Good circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the body cells and organs. Poor circulation can lead to fatigue, numbness, muscle cramps, and coldness in the hands and feet. For men, especially as they age, maintaining healthy blood flow is crucial for overall well-being. Mineral salts, particularly Himalayan pink salt and Celtic sea salt, can support healthy blood flow. These salts contain trace minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, essential for circulation. Mineral salts help maintain fluid balance, crucial for healthy blood volume and circulation. Proper hydration ensures blood flows smoothly, reducing strain on blood vessels. Electrolytes in mineral salts, like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, regulate blood pressure and support nerve and muscle function. These factors significantly contribute to healthy circulation throughout the body. Some mineral salts, like Himalayan pink salt, may help remove toxins and improve skin health. Mineral salts can also help manage muscle cramps and soreness due to their magnesium content. Himalayan pink salt contains iron, which helps increase the blood's oxygen carrying capacity. It also contains minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium that stimulate circulation and detoxify the body. Himalayan pink salt is thought to help regulate blood pressure, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation. Celtic salt contains slightly less sodium and has a higher moisture content, retaining its mineral content. It contains minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, beneficial for hydration and overall health. Dead sea salt contains 21 minerals, including magnesium, calcium, sulfur, and zinc. These minerals are known to treat skin conditions, improve internal processes, and enhance circulation. In addition to mineral salts, several other natural strategies can help improve blood flow. Drink plenty of water to maintain healthy blood volume and circulation, aiming for 8 glasses per day. Consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Foods like beets, fatty fish, leafy greens, citrus fruits, garlic, nuts, and dark chocolate can specifically help improve blood flow. Engage in regular cardiovascular exercise, such as walking, cycling, or swimming, to strengthen the heart and arteries. Quit smoking, manage stress, and maintain a moderate weight to support healthy blood flow. A power water recipe could incorporate mineral salts and other beneficial ingredients to enhance blood flow and hydration. This recipe might include water, a pinch of Himalayan pink or Celtic sea salt, and lemon or lime juice for added vitamin C and flavor. Optional additions include a small amount of beet juice for nitrates or ginger for circulation. While mineral salts can be beneficial, it's essential to consume them in moderation. Excessive sodium intake can lead to high blood pressure and other health problems. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen. The information provided is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Welcome back to our series on enhancing circulation, especially for men as they age. Today, we'll delve into the practical aspects of using mineral water for long-term circulatory support. Optimal timing is crucial for maximizing the benefits of mineral water. Consider consuming it both in the morning and again in the evening. This consistent intake helps maintain a steady supply of essential minerals throughout your day and night, supporting continuous circulatory function. When it comes to dosage, moderation is key. A small amount, often described as a pinch of salt, is usually sufficient to replenish vital electrolytes. Avoid excessive amounts, as too much can disrupt your body's natural balance rather than enhance it. Always aim for a balanced approach. Beyond mineral water, supporting habits significantly contribute to long-term circulation health. A diet rich in potassium is particularly beneficial. Foods like bananas and avocados are excellent sources of potassium, which plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure and fluid balance. Regular, gentle stretching is another powerful habit. It improves blood flow, increases flexibility, and reduces muscle stiffness. Incorporating simple stretches into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your overall circulatory well-being. It's also important to recognize the signs of mineral deficiency, which can often manifest as fatigue and muscle cramps. Persistent fatigue can indicate an imbalance, while frequent muscle cramps, especially in the legs, are a common symptom of electrolyte depletion. If you experience these symptoms regularly, it might be a sign to reassess your mineral intake and consult with a healthcare professional. Long-term circulation support is a holistic endeavor combining mindful mineral intake with healthy lifestyle choices. By consistently applying these principles, you can significantly contribute to your cardiovascular health and overall vitality. Remember, small, consistent efforts yield the greatest long-term rewards for your well-being. Thank you for joining us in this segment. Stay tuned for more insights on maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle.